Uh, excuse me. It's Rocket's mission. It looks kind of like the training kind of trailed off and it wasn't really fully finished, but this one is fully voiced. I just restarted it because I did something a little too early and cut off the voice and I want to be able to hear everything. But anyways, the intention is, once I run through these, go through the manual, brush up on everything, is to restart the Red Flags campaign, which I played once before, but I stopped at the night mission because it cheesed me off. So this time I'm just going to grind through it. In any case, let's go.
Good morning and welcome to the first ground attack lesson. Today you'll learn how to employ the ARAC 70B rocket pods. You're equipped with a full load of 4 pods of high explosive warhead rockets. There is a target area south of POTI on a small island in the lake, which will be our first waypoint B1. Feel free to engage either the attitude or altitude hold. Maintain an airspeed between 600 and 900 kilometers per hour. First, we'll define the waypoint as a target waypoint. Set the data selector dial to tact. Set the input-output selector to in. Enter the code 9 by using the data. Press the B1 button to assign the code 9 to the waypoint 1, which will make waypoint B1 into M1, a target waypoint. Next, we'll disable the target motion measurement system for the site. This system, while may be useful, requires special care when aiming, so for the purpose of today's training, we'll disable it. Make sure the data selector is set to tact and the input-output switch is set to in. Enter the code 221. Press LS to enter the code into memory. This will disable the target motion measurement system. Set the data selector switch to out and the data selector dial to AKT POS. Set the weapon selector to mode attack. This will select most air-to-ground ordnance. Next, we'll confirm the altimeter setting. Since the site uses barometric altitude for calculating the slant range prior to engaging the radar ranging, a correct QFE altitude setting is necessary. The target we're hitting today is at sea level, so the QFE is the same as the QNH, which for today is 1045. If you have previously set the altimeter to standard pressure, you have to push in the pressure setting knob first.
Oh, I hate using a QFE like that. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do it better on the fly because it's annoying. Anyways, okay, 10:45.
Set the master mode selector to ANF. The rockets can also be used in mode NAV, but symbology will only appear after the trigger is set to unsafe, and radar ranging to determine the slant range will not be used, leading to reduced accuracy.
You know what, I gotta check something. I'm not sure if I can get to it from here, but I think there's something that makes it so you don't have to uncage the safety on the trigger, which I would prefer. That's not what I wanted. None of those are what I want. Yeah, I can't get to it from here. Okay, let's roll. Maybe I already have it set anyways.
Fly towards the waypoint. Make sure it's still selected. The target will be on an island in the lake. If you're in mode ANF, the target position should be indicated by the target indicator ring in the heads-up display.
Got it. So coming on 15 kilometers to target. Don't remember any of the symbology. I wouldn't mind if he was walking through some of it while we were flying in, but manual will have it.
Set the trigger to unsafe. The safety lever on the control stick should be flipped up.
Right.
Dive towards the target with between 10 and 30 degrees dive angle and place the sight dot on the target. Press the trigger when the time distance line in the bottom of the heads-up display starts flashing.
Time distance line.
After firing, pull up to evade. Set the trigger to safe. Set the master mode selector to NAV. Well done. This concludes the rocket tutorial.
Okay, let's go do a little BDA. Seems pretty easy. And relatively accurate. Those rockets looked right about the point of impact where I was aiming. Luckily nothing's shooting at me. Yeah. This doesn't have anything like ripple rate, at least not in this tutorial. I think there are ways to set different launch parameters, I think. I can't remember. It's been a really long time since I last flew this. This could be evidenced a little bit by how quickly I'm getting behind the power curve so often. Yeah. Go upstairs. Yeah, so that's rockets. Might as well not make this any longer. Let me check. Looks like they did it all indeed expend at once. Alright, that's it. Huh? That's confusing. But okay.